How many fingers?
4.
What's this called?
Sock.
No.
Royal.
No. Shrock. Shrock.
Shrek.
What's this called?
Book.
What's this made of? What's this called?
Paper.
It's made of paper. What called?
Block.
That's so close, Apollo. What's this called? That's my finger. What's this called?
Bottle.
What's this called?
Box.
No. What's this called?
Shrek.
What's this called?
Block.
Yes, block. What color?
Royal.
What's this called?
Royal.
No, this is shrock.
Shrek.
Shrock. What's this called?
Spell.
Girls. What's this called?
Royal.
No.
Royal.
This is Shrek.
Shrek.
Yes, Shrek. Good job, Apollo. Here's a pistache.